Hi, Nicola Askham here, back for another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is, do I need data governance before artificial intelligence? Now, this is an interesting question because let's face it, companies across all sectors are getting excited about using artificial intelligence and machine learning. And let's face it, they're definitely exciting technologies. And the rewards promised include things like big revenue boosts and competitive advantage and massive cost savings. So let's be honest, who wouldn't want that? And so it's no surprise that there's a rush of companies to trying to adopt it. And let's face it, when you're kind of faced with that kind of prize, why would you want to stop everything and do something as time consuming as data governance before you do your exciting AI and ML? Well, I'm biased, obviously, but I think it is a huge mistake to embark on an AI and ML kind of technology implementation if you haven't got data governance in place already. Because let's face it, the decisions, the recommendations, and the results that both AI and ML give you, they're not controlled by the people that build the technologies, but it's controlled by the data that train these technologies. So as a consequence, if you've got missing or inaccurate data, um, it's that wrong data that can and will guide these technologies in the wrong direction. And so they will make the wrong decisions. And the consequences could be costly and maybe even disastrous. So I really feel quite strongly that if you want to reap the rewards of these brilliant technologies, you must implement data governance first so that you do get the results you wanted. So, you know, I can't say more than that. Really, really make sure you've got your house in order before you start embarking on AI and ML. And if you are doing that and you haven't started doing data governance yet, there's a free checklist you can download from my website to help you get started. You can head over to my website and find that on nicolaaskham.com/free data governance checklist. I hope you found this video useful. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible be successful with data governance. So if you have enjoyed it and found it useful, please like it and share it on your favorite social media channels so that we can get as many people as possible doing data governance successfully. And don't forget, if you've got any other questions that you want me to cover in a future video, just email them in to questions@nicolaaskham.com.